There we go. That's a good one there. The better one feels like. Nice. He's mad. Welcome back to the channel. So I came out here to the river, and then I'm actually gonna head up Penge Creek too. See how many smallies we can get on to in Penge Creek. But yeah, beautiful evening, well, beautiful day, I should say. So let's see what happens. All right, see if we can find a smallie down here. Yeah, we got some Easter flowers growing. Bunch of geese over there. Hopefully they don't come over here. I hear you. This little spot here, it's like mud and then it's rock out there, so I'm hoping that some smallmouth or some type of fish in this little area. Keep casting. See if we can find one in here. I just love being by the river, just how peaceful it is. There's one. There's a good one too. Feels like, oh yeah. Right up. Way to break the peace. Alright, this is the only thing I want to break the peace. Come on, dude. Nice. There we go. A little swivel head. A little Nico. Look at that. It's not a bad one. Good, healthy one. Release. Boom. Oh, bud. There you go. There you go. You got it. He figured it out. Heck yeah. Did he hit that thing hard? Just a doo. I was talking about being all peaceful and stuff. Heck yeah. Alright, so they're in the river too, biting. Alright, see if we can get on another one here. Yeah, that bite definitely took me by surprise. I was really close to the bank here too. I was just off staring at the clouds, listening to the waves of the river. He said, nope, here I am. Alright, let's fix this plastic here. I'll leave a link too in the description. You can use code VIN10 on Nico to save, I think it's like 10%. Yeah, you can just check them out online. There's another one. Oh, it came off. How? That was a nice one. That one felt big. That one felt like it had some weight to it. How in the heck did that come off? Tell you what, it is chilly out. You know, necks are cold. Alright. I'm gonna keep it fairly close to the bank. Oh, that was 100% a fish. I think I just ripped it right out of its mouth. Felt like a bite. I don't know, it could have been a stick. want to get down lower, but I definitely don't want to fall in the freaking mud either. Got her. We got it. Don't start blowing wind. It's cold enough without you. Oh man, what is happening? I really felt like a bite right there. It was a bite. That's a little guy. Let's say I thought it was a fish. Go. I thought one hit it right there. There you go, man. There you go. I thought one hit it. Thought I felt a little tug. Alright. Get him back out there. Yeah, this cold front definitely sucks, but it feels like they're biting from it. They're biting because of it, I mean. See what the creek has going on here. Again, I still just have a little Nico, or I mean a little plastic hellgrammite here on the 1/8 sled. So I'm just gonna walk down here and chuck it against the bank. Hopefully just let the current carry it down and find a fish. Well, this time last year is when I caught my PB in here in Penge Creek. So hopefully we can get on a fish here. Again, I'm just casting upstream and just letting the current carry it down. There's one. There we go. Nice. I only have 8-pound test on, so I don't want to lift him up this bank. Oh, there we go. Nice. Didn't take long at all. Come here, bud. Come here, bud. There we go. There we go. That. Nice smallie from Crick here. Let him go. Again, just throwing us. So I don't even know what brand it is. A friend of mine at work actually gave this to me, but the plastic hellgrammite's just a black hellgrammite. And like I said, tackle I'm using, North Branch tackle. I'll leave a link in the description too, but it's a 1/8 sled. Contact him and these pair up great with these flat baits, the flatter baits, and they pair up really well too with like a Nico crawl. Yeah, so we're just gonna make a couple more casts here so we can find another one. There's another one. Nice. Little guy too. That though, this one's fatter. Nice. There we go. This guy's got a little bit of a gut on him. You can see that. A little bit of a tummy. And now he's feisty. He's ready to go. Nice. And to this sled here, it does have a nail weight, or I mean a nail lock. So you stab it through there, line up where it's gonna come out, rig it, just like that. Well, that's how I'm rigging it at least. I'm trying to keep it close to the bank, so I'm not trying to get it way out there in a deep current. keeping it pretty close to the bank, maybe 5-10 feet off the bank. So letting the weight carry it down to the bottom and just letting the current carry it. I'm reeling in the slack though, that way I can feel for a bite. And if it gets stuck on a rock or something, I just pop it up. Fish this little spot for a little bit. Again, for the locals, you probably know this area. Those of you who are not from around here, it's a pretty good area. Same thing here, I'm just gonna toss out this little huggermite so we can find a bigger bruiser here. There we go. That's a good one there. It's a better one, feels like. Nice. Dude, he's mad. Oh, he's fired up. Nice. There we go. That's what we were looking for. That is a nice smallie. That's a good, healthy smallie right there. Get a quick pick. Let him go. Nice. I don't know if that was the same one that bit my huggermite, but that's a good one there. That's the ones I was looking for. Don't get me wrong, I like smallmouth in general, even small ones, but those big girls, that's why we come out. I don't know how many more bites this old plastic has in it, but we're gonna cast this back out. Fish are biting, we're gonna keep fishing. Yeah, just for you anglers out there, or new anglers, just get out fishing, try different spots, even in your area. Just find a creek, figure out. Oh, I just snapped off on one. I should have retied. Son of a gun. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video now just because this rain's coming. But might come back out, might not, find some fish. But thanks for viewing. Like, subscribe. Oh, it's sleeting. It's great. But get out fishing when you can. Like I always say, stay anchored. I'll see you later.